it's Raegan at Gateway Toyota, and today I'm here with Sherwin, our parts manager. Sherwin, we've gotten some questions from the customers about what is the best product to use to clean their Toyota vehicle.
Yeah, for sure. Toyota offers various products to help maintain your vehicle exterior and interior. We do have a car wash soap. It is eco-friendly and phosphate-free, and it's a highly concentrated soap that you can use to wash your vehicle. We do have a spray wax that you can use to restore the shine of your vehicle, and also a glass cleaner that you can use to clean any portion of the vehicle that has glass, windshield or the side glass of the vehicle. A multi-purpose cleaner that you can use to clean some of the dirt or dust inside the interior. You can use it on your dashboards or panels and other stuff, even in the exterior of the vehicle. We also have what they call a leather and vinyl conditioner. You can use it to restore the shines of your dashboards, your panels, and it's pretty easy to apply. You use a microfiber. And then for emergency, we also have a spot stain remover. And for any cloth seats, you can use a fabric cleaner to restore the look of the seats and gives a good smell on the seats itself.
And where can customers get these products?
Well, they can get it at Gateway Toyota at the parts counter.